Welcome to my tutorial, that is Excel tutorial 2016. This is my fourth tutorial. Within this I will teach you regarding the cell basics. What is meant by cell? Cell is, this will be called as cell. As I clicked on G column and row of fifth, so within the name box we can see that G5, it will be called as a cell. The intersection of our rows and columns will be called as a cell. We have a different names for each cells. See, my cursor is an F8, so it will be the F8 cell. If my cursor is an F9, so it is a F9 cell. So wherever you will click it, it will be a different cell. The cell name will not be the same. So this A, B, C, D, E, what all this will be called as? It will be called as column. So this is a J column, this is a I column, and this is a H column. So there are different kinds of columns are there. And these, what are these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will, see, my cursor is on a 14th row. It will be called as row. So the numbers will be represented in Excel with rows and columns. A, B, C, D, E, it will be treated as a columns. So the intersection of rows and columns will be called as cells. So what is this cell and why we need to use a cell? So these cells will be there. We need to write the content or data within the cell. Think that I want to write something like some data I want to write, so this data will enter into the cell. So if you want to edit the cell in the later section, instead of this H I want to write some J, so directly we need to go to the formula bar, J we can write it. Instead of H we can write J. So to edit that, the formula bar will be using, otherwise to write the formula also will be using. See here, instead of writing first fab I have mentioned only one FE, might be spelling mistake has been done. So we can edit that by going here. We need to go here to edit that, just enter one fab. So just click, or you need to write it and just need to enter, so it will get entered here. So this is how we need to enter the data within the cell. Okay, and I think that this row has been added by mistake, so I need to clear the contents of the this cell. So how to clear the content of the cell? Just we need to select that particular row. We need to go to the clear contents. So only the content will get clear. Think that I want to move this fourth line into a third line. So how to move that? We need to delete that particular row. So go to delete cells. So that has been deleted. Okay. We have a series called first feb, third, second feb. I want to assign those who came new, 3rd, third date, 4th date, 5th date. Like this means no need of entering manually one by one. That time we need to just click here and drag down. It will fill the series continuously. Again here same thing, 1, 2, 3. After the no need of serial numbers adding again one by one. Just we need to select first 3 and we need to drag it. See here, it's coming here. So think that you want to move from here to next some other line. How to move that? We'll see. Just select it and take the cursor over here and move it. When this 4 rows arrows will come, then we need to move anywhere. I will stick back again to the same place. Yeah, this is how we can move the content from one place to another place. Not only moving, even we can copy paste also. See here, just I will copy this and I will order the paste same thing here after adjoining date. See here, we can even copy paste also. Not only copy paste, we can cut paste also. Cut paste is C. Just cut it, paste it in H. See, we can do copy paste, we can do cut paste. For copy paste, we have a even shortcut key also. Control C if you press, that will be shortcut for copying. If you want to cut paste, sure, the shortcut key will be Control X. For pasting purpose, Control V. This is a shortcut key for copy paste and cut paste. Okay, and see here, the alignment is in the center side. See here, all the things, everything is the center side. If you want the alignment in the left hand side or on the right hand side, how to do the alignment? See, just I will show you. Select entire data, entire contains here. Just we need to select alignment left. See, entire thing has been came left side. So if you want to make it as the right hand side, just make it as a right hand side. Center, just click on a center. If you want to change the font family, font color, font, and how to change, we need to select the different one here. See here, Arial narrow have been selected. If you want to change the size, how to change the size of the font? See here, I'm selecting 14. If you want to select 18, then you can select 18. What is this bold? If you select the bold, entire thing will become bold. If you select italic, the entire thing will be italic. And if you want to make underline, you can make an underline to hold the columns. And this is a border one. We can add a different kinds of border bottom. Only it will add a border bottom. See here, you can see here, it will be added border only on bottom. Okay, if you want to add a different borders, we need to select here. Top border means only top border, left border, right border. No border means it will not be selecting any borders. All border means it will select all complete table as a border. Outside border means only complete outside it will add a borders. See, these are the different kinds of borders. And we can give a color to the text. Here I want to make a location as a red, so this will be added as a location red. If you want to fill the cell as a color means, just we need to fill series, fill color. So for cell it will be add a color. Okay, I want to join, think that if you want to join some other things like merge and center also we can do. Okay, so this is the basic introduction about the cells within the today's class. If Thank you for listening. Have a great day.